Now that's how you jump into a video. What's going on, everybody? This is Sam here with 1EpicAdventure. Obviously there's no adventure today because this is just an introduction video of what's going on, where I'm traveling, and all the stuff I got. There's still stuff to come, like my video camera, tripod, stuff like that. That's all coming in the mail later. Let's see. Let's start with my GoPro. Now this thing is awesome. I got the Hero 7 because go big or go home, boys and girls. Alright. Hero 7. Look at this thing. This thing is phenomenal. Takes amazing video, pictures, and then just like the apps for it just are out of this world. Got the protective case for it. Got the waterproof case because I told you guys on my Snapchat that I'm going to be doing a lot of underwater stuff. I did the water test. This thing is insane. No leaks, no nothing. Like it's worth buying. Let's just say that. Then I got the selfie stick, which I don't even know if it's called a selfie stick. So you know what? Don't judge me. All right? Don't judge me. All right? Then I got the tripod for it. We're gonna do a lot of action shots. I know in my description on my YouTube channel, I'm gonna do a lot of challenges and like the don't flinch challenge and stuff like that. So stay tuned. That's gonna be fun because I'm gonna get some friends with it. Next, I got the headband for the GoPro. Now I never really tried this, so I don't know how it is, but we're gonna try it. Now the chassis, this thing is awesome. Now I put this on my dog, and my dog hated it, but you know what? It's all right. But I put it on myself, and just rode a bike and stuff like that, and just looked at the video editing and just the video in general. Like this GoPro really puts in work, and it's amazing. Let's see. I got the GoPro for dummies because I'm a dummy. No, I'm just kidding. No, I'm serious. I'm a dummy. But it's okay. Yeah, just the knowledge of getting all the knowledge of it's pretty good. Now trips. Now I have 3 big trips coming up. One's in June. You guys know it's the Grand Canyon, so I've been doing a lot of research on Arizona and the places around it. So stay tuned on that. That'll be on my Snapchat and Instagram. Other places I'm gonna go. I'm gonna read them off on my phone. Check it out right here. If it'll load. Yeah. So. I'm gonna go to Washington to this national forest. This thing is sick. All my friends went there. Like massive trees and stuff like that. The Grand Canyon, I told you guys, in June. That'll be the 2nd week of June, I believe. Don't quote me on that because it might change to the 3rd week. After that, I'm going down to Cali, or over to Cali, I should say. Sorry, I messed up. And going to Sunset Cliffs National Park. It's in San Diego, California. It's going to be insane. Just the 3 trips in general. Now it's just like, what's next? But I'm going to try after those. Those are going to be like the main ones in the U.S., which I'm going to be doing more U.S. stuff. But I'm definitely going to be doing overseas stuff. I'm going to try to go to Italy, Greece, Germany. There's a forest that my friend went to in Germany that's absolutely sick. So yeah, just stay tuned on that. That I told you that'll be on my Snapchat and Instagram. So yeah, definitely stay tuned. Now a little bit about my channel. It's more of like an inspiration thing, like traveling inspiration, because I know the world is tough out there, and you just got to see the beauty of the world, and it's just amazing out there. Now, a lot of people have been asking me to go to like Canada and stuff like that. Now, Canada is out of this world, but you know what? If I get hit by a moose, I'm blaming you guys. I'm just gonna put that out there. It'll be your fault if I get destroyed by a moose, but it's all good. So yeah, that's pretty much my channel. I'm gonna be doing a lot of stuff, so get the bell on. Get the bell on. Get those notifications on your phone to check out my new videos coming up. I'm probably going to be doing a video every week. Again, don't quote me on that because you know, it's new to me. It's all new to me on this YouTube thing. So subscribe, help me out, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and all that good stuff. Peace. Have a good night. Have a good day, wherever you are in that time zone. Peace out.